What's up guys? Day 2. Seoul. Breakfast muna. Then perfume rating. Tapos gawa na tayo ng Seoul. Let's go. It's snowing! It's snowing! So it's snowing. It's snowing outside. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Woo! Woo! It's snow!
Ayaw naman.
It's snowing!
Huwag natin hawakan.
Let's go! What's up guys? It's snowing! It's snowing! It's snowing!
Yes, nagyabang.
Snowing! It's snowing! Woo. It's snowing, everyone. What's up? What's up? So, 8:30 pa lang ngayon sa Gangwon State. And then, start snowing. Kung makikita nyo man, ayan. Nag-snow na. And I'm so happy. First time. So, yun. Masaya lang. Let's go. So guys, medyo
Maganda talaga
palpak.
yung sa akin.
Medyo palpak yung gawa ko. Sa'yo, maganda yung gawa mo?
Kasi lahat
Mabango?
ng sinasabi nila mabangon.
Mabango yung sa'yo?
Yes.
Mabango? Yung
Sinasabi
akin,
nila.
hindi mabango, no?
Hindi ko na
Ay, hindi mo naamoy?
naamoy. Pero I think it was, if
Ano?
yung description mo,
Ano?
I think it smells like parang black pine. I don't know.
Nilagay ko kasi yung yung inkstone.
Ayon.
Yeah.
Ayaw ko din yun.
Tsaka,
Ayaw ko. Inkstone at
Yeah.
black pine.
yeah. It's so, so matapang.
Yeah. Sumaba ko.
What's up?
Halika na.
Can you say about Everland?
I forgot.
You forgot? You just went here last year.
Yeah, but like,
What?
it's raining.
Then,
Oh, I met my classmate in Everland last year.
maybe you will meet someone again.
I hope not. Ang laki ng mukha akong unan.
Mukha kang ano? Kamukha mo, may kamukha ka ate sa suot mo.
Ay, naku. Sino naman?
Si Baymax.
My God.
Balalala. Sabi mo. Yes.
No.
Come on. Say it. Balalala. Ano ba yung sasabi ni Baymax? Ano?
Pagod na ako.
Pagod ka na, wala pa nga tayo sa loob ng Everland. Oh. Wala.
Ano yun? The Everland of Oz. Daw, sabi.
Oh!
Ay!
I'm sleeping.
Hawak ka kasi! Hawak ka! Hawak ka! Hawak kasi!
Guys, like na ako.
Ay! Ay! Ay!
Ano?
Kabakabalyo! Kabakabalyo!
Nakabay.
Ate, bumababa yun sa'yo.
Oo, bumabalik sa'yo nga.
喂，阿妹，你唔好扭呢個啊！有他媽歌詞。我哋結束啊！有他媽歌詞。有他媽歌詞嗰隻。
나왔습니다. 주문장을 원하시면 다시 버튼을 눌러주세요.
오.